guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're making scrambled eggs. I know it's been a long time since we've done a video, so let's jump into one. So we have scrambled eggs here. We have eggs, milk, whiskers, a bowl, and pan. We can use butter, don't care. And we have seasonings. We also have a pan. Make sure to preheat it. Preheating is very useful. So now let's crack the eggs. But first we gotta make sure they're ripe. Okay. Yep, they're ripe. Okay. Now. Perfection. Hello, guys. I'm gonna make it. Watch me make it. Boom! Sometimes trouble. Oh, take it down. That was not supposed to happen. Oh God. Alright. Wait. And any eggshell falling good. Alright. And we got a little hot pan, but I'm gonna spray our pan now. Yeah, that's good. Very good. Always preheated. Alright. Gotta do the milk. Ain't that bomb? Now. Okay, now we're gonna put our salt. Just a tap bit. Okay, that's enough. Alright. Oh yeah, pepper. So now we have our salt and pepper. Make sure you have some kind of fat in your pan. Okay, got it. Now you want to mix gently. You want to break the eggs. You want to break the yolks and just kind of mix gently. Kind of break the yolks down like that, and just mix gently. Make sure it's like a nice. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. And then you just want to kind of do this a little bit so all that yolk is broken down. And you just want to, get it in there. Alright, we're going to mix for a while. It looks like candy. But if you made Laffy Taffy yellow, and then you just add a little bit of milk to banana Laffy Taffy, oh, that would taste nasty. Alright, just kind of. It's almost done. Just give it a few more. Give it a few more swirls and mix, 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 mix. Maximum mixing. Okay, now put your whiskers down, and then you just wanna. That's the sound you want to hear. Oh, we got 7. Oh, that's the sound you want to hear. Well, that's the sound you want to hear. Gonna make an egg. Okay. You just want to stir it. Look how these look perfect. Those look good. Look at those. So we're going to have a plate over here, because we have a plate. Move this, definitely move this. Alright, it's off. We're turning off. Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna go put this in the sink real quick. So look at this steam. It looks so good. Got a fork here. Wait. You have to add the holy ingredient. Syrup. That's right. I said it. This is so good. Watch it just drizzle. Oh my God. That's enough. That's enough right there. Perfection. I give it. This is a new thing. I rate it now. I give it a 9 spatulas out of 10. Pretty good. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you have a good day. Me too. Enjoy.